Welcome to this new tutorial on demo content import of Miako Lawyer and Law Firm WordPress theme. For this, go to the Appearance, Theme. To add new theme, click on Upload Theme. And for choosing file, look for exact zip file of Miako Lawyer and Law Firm WordPress theme. Click on Install Now. It will take few seconds to be done. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins. And select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all to activate, then apply. Now back to the dashboard. Go to the Appearance, then Import Demo Data. This is the interface. There are two types of import: manual import, auto import. And under this auto import, you can import all these demos. Click any one of it to continue and import content. Take few time to complete. Now click Visit Site to view. Miako Lawyer and Law Firm WordPress theme, designed for law firms and legal services, that offers a professional and modern platform created to legal professionals. Key features include Elementor compatibility for easy drag and drop customization, with multiple homepage demos and detailed layouts for showcasing practice areas, attorney profiles, and client testimonials. It provides a comprehensive solution for building a legal website. Thus, you can import and demo content of it. Thank you for watching.